Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you 8 baking equipments that I use for beginners. These are readily available and important equipment at the same time. We all know a baker cannot have enough equipment. We are always talking, every time we are always talking this and that. So today I'm going to show you simple equipment that you can have if you want to start baking. Let's start with the first one. So we have measuring cups and spoons. These are very important for baking. I have this one for for wet ingredients, and spoons and cups for dry ingredients. I use mostly for measuring ingredients to have precise quantity. Most of the time you find that a recipe requires 1 cup of something or 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of something. Having this is very important so that your cake comes out exactly as you want it. So the second one is baking tins. These are very important. They come in very many inches. Like this one is a 6 inch and an 8 inch. Baking tins are very important. Third one is a thermometer. This is very important. My oven is worn out. It's kind of rubbed. The temperature is kind of rubbed. So when I use this to get accurate temperature before I start baking, and it's very helpful and important at the same time. The fourth one is a mixing bowl, like this one here. I use it mostly to mix dry ingredients and wet ingredients. Having bowls is very important, especially when you want to start baking. You can have 2 or more so that you can place one in dry ingredients and another in wet ingredients. So you can have 2 or more mixing bowls. So the fifth one is something that I really use most of the time. This is a mixer. It's an electrical mixer. The good thing is that you can attach this thing and remove it at the same time and replace it with another one. It comes with different types of this. So it's very important, especially if you want to mix royal icing. You will have to use this electric mixer. Trust me, a royal icing must be used with an electric mixer, because when you use a whisk, it will take a lot of time before the frosting becomes harder, and you'll require something like an electric mixer. So this comes in handy and it's very important for beginners. Next we have a cooling rack. I use these cooling racks for just to place my cakes to cool at least. It's very important because when you are finished baking, your cake must cool completely before you start icing. When you place a cake here, it cools on both sides. So having this is very important. So the next one is a parchment paper. I use a parchment paper to line inside my baking tin before placing the butter and placing it inside the oven. It allows your cake not to stick at the bottom of the cake tin. If you don't have a parchment paper, you can always grease your tin with glue band or with any margarine or butter and sprinkle some flour just to dust it and use it. That will also allow your cake not to stick at the bottom of the pan when you are removing it. Last but not least, we have a palette knife. This is also very important. Applying frosting while you are frosting your cake or icing your cake. You can see it has a flat surface compared to an ordinary knife, so it allows you to spread it evenly and smoothen the ends very well. I also shared a video of where you can get all these baking equipment. I'll link it somewhere here, and some of them you can get them at your local supermarket. A baker can never have enough equipment, so these are just basic ones that you can use when you're starting your baking journey. If you have any other suggestions or comments, leave them down below, and also subscribe to my channel. I've noticed I'm gaining a couple of new subscribers, so that's great. Let's keep this moving. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll be posting new videos every Wednesday at 2 p.m. so make sure you tune in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and